I'm saying this is the incredible, the GOAT, LL Cool Chef J. We're gonna make some bechamel sauce, so stay close. You know what I'm saying? Mama said the bechamel sauce was easy. You know, Mama said knock it out. So it's I need butter. I need butter. You know, I was just joking with y'all. Listen, you take the butter, you add flour. Basically, we're gonna stir this bad boy until it's like a light brown. That's medium low heat. It's so yeah, baby. I got that joint looking right. Now I'm gonna add up my heated milk. Basically, we're gonna do 8 times the amount of flour and butter. Let's add it in real slow. You know. Yeah, nice and slow. Know what I'm saying? My 2 bays, it's 1 and 2, fantastic. And a little fresh nutmeg. That's my secret. You know what I'm saying? That's it. We're gonna give it a little taste. Man, it's something like a phenomenon.